Hello, my name is Luis Miguel Lara Cruz. This is task 3 for English 3. Today I am presenting a news report about an unusual event that happened yesterday afternoon. Yesterday, people were enjoying a quiet afternoon in the Central Park. Families were walking around the lake and children were playing near the fountain. Some people were sitting off the benches while others were talking and eating ice cream. At about 4 o'clock, a man was riding his bicycle through the park. He was listening to music while he was moving along the path. At the same time, a little boy was riding after a ball. While the man was riding near the fountain, the boy suddenly crossed the path. The cyclist tried to stop, but had lost control and fell to the ground. When the cyclist fell, everyone looked at him. Some people were shouting, and a woman called the emergency service. Two young men were helping the cyclist while another person was moving the bicycle away. A police officer arrived a few minutes later. He was asking questions while the paramedics were checking the cyclist. Fortunately, he did not have serious injuries, but he was very scared. While the police were talking to the witness, the boy's mother apologizing for the assistance. Boy was crying because he felt nervous. After a few minutes, the paramedics helped the cyclist stand up. He thanked the people who helped him. Then the ambulance left the park. In the end, everyone returned to normal activities. People were working and hey, children were playing and the park became quiet. Fortunately, nobody was seriously injured. This was today's news report. Thank you for working. Thank you.